Welcome back to Gas Diesel Garage, everyone. The channel that deals in gas motors and diesel motors and anything in between. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that motor mount right here and that motor mount down there. But first we need to get this power steering reservoir out of the way. It just slides right up. Move that out of the way, opens it up. Alright, got your two 14mm bolts on top. Got that one little ground strap wire, which is a 10mm. You got a 17mm here and a 17mm there and on the back. Yeah, I'd say that one's pretty screwed up and broke. Makes your engine hop every time you accelerate. So, yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. But I got a new one. That's gonna go in. But first, we're not gonna put that in yet because we gotta do this one, which is in the front. Now to get to that motor mount, I don't know if you can see it real good. Got to take the 14 nuts off and the bracket, and then there's four 14mm bolts that hold this thing to the frame. And I believe that bolt, just like the one over here, was a 14 also. But let's make some room and get some of the stuff out of the way, like this washer bottle. Excuse me, your antifreeze surge tank. Now we need to take that 14mm bolt out, just like we did that last one. Now, of course, you can't see the 4 bolts that are right there, and there. You'll see they come stock with this rubber cover. If you pull that back, you can actually see them down through there. See? Now the easiest way to get this thing out is to jack the engine up just a little bit so you can have enough space to get it out. See, you can actually see me spinning. There we go. Now I just gotta finagle it all out. So we got the side one out. This is the old one, broken apart. That's the new one that's gonna go in. Now the transmission one in the front, which is kind of a pain in the butt. Remember the 4 bolts I was talking about? Well, this one, this is the brand new one. That part right there is gonna play a good role in just a second. Let me show you. But this, the old one, yeah, piece of crap, broken. Yeah. Right. You see that tube right there? That tube needs to plug in to that when you put it in. It's very important. There you go. One transmission mount installed. Yeah, I'd say those parking brakes are pretty thin. Actually, almost don't even have any on there. Well, got some new ones. Well, that's a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. If you'd like to support this channel, hit that little button right there that says subscribe. And if you want to check out some other great content, check this one out and this one out. See you next time. Peace.